Hey, we're going to do this quick video. Holiday cocoa chapstick we used earlier. My lips are dry, my skin is dry. I did wash the makeup off that I had on earlier, and I have not done skincare yet. My under eye area is very sensitive, very raw, very just not doing good. So I'm just trying to give it some time to breathe. And what I might do is just put a thin layer of Vaseline under it. What I'm excited to show you is the last live I did. Today is early morning, March 17th. I think it was the live with the haul, I think. And I asked you guys if you thought I should get a ring light to put behind my lighted mirror so that my lives hopefully won't look so dark. And I was saying how it tilted. Well, it came in the mail on the 16th of March. And so this is the box. And it came in here. And I already set it up. I did a look with the Stone Cold Medusa palette earlier today, a few hours ago, and I did have the light set up behind the lighted mirror on the pony wall, and it fits perfect. But this is the box. If you're curious about it, there's the model number. It's called LED ring light, whatever this says. I don't know how to pronounce it, but if you're curious about it, I will put the link down below. And this is the other side of the box, and it does say it goes 10 inches is the ring light, but I am going to show it to you. And this is why I thought it would be perfect for on my pony wall, because it has a small base versus something that's 3-prong legs and you put it on the floor, it goes up to like 5 feet or 7 feet or whatever, and I don't have space to leave something like that out. And so I was thinking this will go really nice on my pony wall. And so this is what it is. Let me show you this first. You have to use it plugged in, and it does have a cord. And so if you can see over here, it has a remote control, and I'm not going to unplug it because then I would have to reach over to try to plug it back in to show you the lighting. But it has an on and off. Let me do this. Duh, girl. And so it has on and off, and then it has up and down, well, plus and minus, and then there's a little thing in the middle which I think is for changing like warm, cool, indoor, outdoor type of thing. So, but we are going to play around with that because I want you to see what it looks like. And yes, I am moving you all sorts of ways. So the only downside is that that cord is there, but this is the length I have it set up on my pony wall. And this is the base, and it does come apart. You put it together. This is one piece, and this extends. I only extended it like maybe 1.5 inches, but this extends further, but I didn't need it to be higher up. And I'm so awkward. This is the screw that you can loosen to tilt the ring light part. And it does have, and it's in the box because I didn't need it, it does have, oh, my face fits perfect. I guess my face is 10 inches. There is a thing here where you can put in the stand to put your phone in here, but because it's behind my lighted mirror, I don't need to have my phone in here. But if I travel, this might be decent because I always deal with lighting issues when I travel. So, and the base is as wide as my hand. And so this big is the base. You see my thumb back here. And so it is perfect for my needs. And so I have it set this way with the base facing out and the ring light facing in, just for stability purposes, but you can put it any way you want to put it. So this is the ring light. I am excited. And so what we're going to do now, I'm going to play with the remote. I actually, do I want to put it, I do want to put it back behind my lighted mirror, but I don't have a bra on. And so I don't want to be, yeah, so I'm going to just hold it right here. Actually, I'm going to put it on my station. I know I can be graphic. And I think I might turn the base because, I don't know. I think I might have moved it when I took it down. But, okay, the button to turn it on. You see that? So this is off. And I wish I can put this behind me, but I would have to maneuver some things. But this is on. So I think my lives will be better. And it's not that close to me because it's behind. Let me see. Let me hold it back here. So turning it off. This is me. Hi. This is on. If you want to turn it down, You click the button and it goes down. And that's as far down as it goes. Now we're gonna click the plus button, and this is as high as it goes. Ooh, that's bright. And the middle button that has the swirl, it changes lighting. So this, I guess, is daylight. I don't know. Warm. That is like my complexion. But actually, they all are. And this is cool. So I'm looking very like pasty, and I'm looking very bright, and I'm looking very yellow. So I will probably keep it just on this one. And so I'm going to turn that off. And so that is that. And I am really excited about it. You do have to use it plugged in. And so this is easy to turn, the base part of it. And so I think I did turn it as I was holding it because you saw me fumbling. The other thing that I mentioned purchasing for when I do Zoom calls on my laptop was a little clip-on mirror. This sucker is tiny, and I did try it. I did a practice, video on, which is a quick thing, just testing the lighting on my laptop. And I'm like, do I want to do lives on my laptop? But then all my stuff is right here though. But if I was doing just a haul video, doing lives on my laptop would be nice because I would have more space to have everything out and not have to stack stuff up on my chair that's over here. But this is the box, and that is what it's called, Selfie ring light. And it's very tiny. It's tiny. And that's all it's called, is Selfie ring light. And on the back, if you want to pause and see what that name says, I'll put a link for this down below as well. The first one, this one I showed you, I think it was, I don't think it was more than $25. And this one it was very inexpensive. So I was hoping like it worked, but this is what it looks like. I'm like, this thing is so tiny, but it clips onto your iPad, it says, onto your laptop, and something else. It did not, I didn't think it was going to fit on my lighted mirror back here because that's maybe 1.5 inches. And I did try it, and this is not wide enough to fit on my mirror back there. But you also have to charge it before you use it, and you can probably use it charge too. And it did come with the cord, and so did the other one I showed you. But look how bright, y'all. So you hold it and press it. This thing. So I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna turn it back on. This thing is bright. And so it being on your laptop, like picture if it was like right up here. Let me see. This thing is bright, and it's hard to see the things. Sorry for blocking you. So this is off, and I am just holding it, and I could clip it onto my phone. So this is it off, and this is it on. So that adds some nice light too. And then it has cool light, warm, and then regular. And on the other side, it goes brighter and then it dims. So just regular dim light, a little bit brighter, a little bit brighter. And so, yeah, that's very bright. So, ooh, so I could try this also clipped onto my phone when I do lives. But then, like, if this works, am I going to want to still keep that one? That's the thing. And I do think so, because that'll give me more light, like when I travel, when I take it, versus having this clipped on my phone, but then my phone is low and then I'm trying to, like, stack stuff up or whatever. So, but we're going to play around with these things, and I'm hella excited. So thank you for the feedback on, go ahead and get it if it's not too expensive. And my issue was just where to put something and then not take up space and not have to take it down and have it like a production. But this, it sits nicely where it is. It is taller than the table lamps that I have up here. And with this though, I might be able to just move the table lamps and put them somewhere else. And so that's an idea too. So my pony wall is not looking crowded. It's not looking cluttered. But yeah, and I'm having trouble seeing now from all the bright light in my face. But thank you for being here for this. And again, thank you for understanding with the lives, doing the best I can, and knowing the lighting wasn't as good as it could be, but it will be better, hopefully. And so we will have this on for the next live, and we're going to see. So thank you for being here, and you will see me in the next video. And as always, self-acceptance, self-love, That is the Crazy Troll Nation way. Thank you, and you will see me soon. Just for giggles, I have on the 2 table lamps and the lighted mirror behind here. If I turn off the lighted mirror, this is what we got. If I turn on the ring light, I do have it clipped on my phone. This is what it gives us. And so it does seem like it kind of blows me out being that close to me. We're going to turn the ring light back, well, the lighted mirror back on. Yeah, so that really blows out. I do think it looks more me. This is the dimness that I had before, I think. So we're turning on the lighted mirror again. It is brighter with everything on, but I think it kind of blows out a little bit. But let me know what y'all think. So the ring light clipped to the phone, the lighted mirror in the back, turning off the lighted mirror in the back. But then I have these shadows again, whereas with this on, the shadows are a little less prominent. Everything on. We're going to turn off the ring light clip to my phone. I'm not sure if that makes that much of a difference. It decreases some of the shadows a little bit because I'm noticing when my hand is here, you still see the shadows. But when I turn it off, I think the shadows are more prominent. So let me know. And I know I won't need that up there if I have the other one in the back. We're figuring things out. Thanks.